One thing that I love about Discovery Plus is there's so many reasons for people to subscribe. Discovery Plus is our global streaming product that focuses on reality TV, particularly around core genres such as home, lifestyle, nature, and food. When you have a ton of content, creative, and potential customers, there can be this tendency to micro-segment. So when it comes to ultimately driving subscribers, we don't want to constrain where conversions are coming from, but rather lean into automation and double down on products like Performance Max that end up driving results and take the guesswork out of how we should be buying media.
When I first heard about automation, I was terrified. I thought I was going to lose my job. But then I realized that now we're able to focus more on strategic work. When looking at the Insights page, we realized we needed to lean into romance, TV drama fans. We did this by really emphasizing the creative in 90 Day Fiancé, Love Off the Grid, Love in the Jungle, and really leaned in heavily to those categories since we know that they perform extremely well for us. We saw a 17% incremental subscriber growth as a result of using Performance Max, and we also saw a 21% decrease in our CPA compared to our non-branded search campaigns.
Being budget fluid has always been critical for us, but the process has historically been manual. Products like Performance Max allowed us to move away from managing siloed campaigns to one holistic optimization. Digital media buying is all about evolution, where ultimately, if we're doing the same thing we did a year ago, we're probably doing something wrong. So continuing to lean into new products such as Performance Max is really core to our strategy.